Welcome to Byte-Sized Tech, where we blend casual conversations with insightful discussions on the latest in technology and gadgets. Today, we're diving headfirst into the hottest mobile trends, straight out of Barcelona for Mobile World Congress 2025. Think of it as your VIP pass to all the coolest tech without the jet lag.
What's fascinating is that MWC always offers a glimpse into the future of mobile.
Right.
We're not just talking about shiny new gadgets, it's about understanding the underlying trends that will shape how we use technology in the coming years.
All right, let's unpack this. First up, we have Nothing, the company that's turning heads with its transparent phone designs.
Yeah.
They just unveiled the phone 3A and 3A Pro. And get this, the Pro version is just $459. It boasts a massive 6.77-inch AMOLED screen with a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate.
Wow.
For you, that means scrolling through your social media feeds or playing games will feel incredibly smooth and responsive.
And it's not just any AMOLED screen, it's LTPO AMOLED. This tech dynamically adjusts the refresh rate based on what you're doing on the phone. So you get that buttery smooth experience when you need it, but the refresh rate dials down when you don't, saving you precious battery life.
Oh, okay.
The win-win.
Plus, it's powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, which is like the brain of the phone. This latest generation means you'll experience lightning-fast performance whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just scrolling through social media. But let's talk cameras because the phone 3A Pro is packing some serious heat in that department.
Yeah.
We're talking a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization.
That means say goodbye to blurry photos. Optical image stabilization helps counteract shaky hands, ensuring your pictures are sharp and clear.
Exactly. And for those times when you need to zoom in on the action, there's a 50MP periscope telephoto lens that gives you 3x optical zoom. And for those epic landscape shots or group selfies, you've got an 8MP ultra-wide lens that can capture so much more in a single frame.
This actually speaks to a larger trend we're seeing across MWC. AI is being integrated into more and more phone features, particularly cameras. This is all about making photography more accessible and enhancing the quality of your shots automatically.
Speaking of AI, Nothing also introduced Essential Space, which uses AI to help you organize all the random stuff on your phone, like screenshots and voice memos. And you can access it with a dedicated physical button called the Essential Key. It's like having a personal assistant for your digital clutter.
What's intriguing here is that AI is moving beyond just being a cool gimmick and becoming genuinely helpful in managing our digital lives. Think about how much time you spend searching for that one photo or voice memo. Essential Space aims to solve that problem.
That is seriously cool. But MWC wasn't just about phones. Lenovo unveiled some incredible concept laptops with foldable screens, blurring the lines between a tablet and a laptop.
Yeah, foldable devices have been around for a while, but they're finally reaching a point where the technology is mature enough and potentially more affordable.
Yeah.
It's an exciting development that could revolutionize how we use personal computers.
And get this, Samsung Display even unveiled a foldable gaming device. Imagine playing your favorite games on a larger screen wherever you are without sacrificing portability. The future is wild.
This could be a huge shift in how we think about mobile gaming and entertainment. Imagine a world where the lines between your phone, tablet, and laptop become completely blurred. Pretty exciting stuff, right?
Absolutely. But amongst all this super cool tech, something that really caught my eye was the focus on sustainability. We saw devices with solar charging capabilities and manufacturers using more recycled materials. It's great to see companies taking environmental responsibility seriously.
Sustainability is definitely a major focus in tech, and for good reason. Consumers are demanding eco-friendly options, and companies are realizing they need to reduce their environmental impact. It's a win-win situation.
Yeah, it's encouraging to see the industry taking steps to minimize its environmental footprint. These innovations are signaling a significant shift in how we think about and interact with technology, moving towards a future where our devices are not just powerful, but also environmentally conscious.
It's about time, right? It's not just about saving the planet, though. Imagine never having to worry about your phone dying because it can charge itself with solar power. Talk about convenient.
Absolutely. And it goes beyond individual devices. This shift towards sustainability is impacting the entire tech ecosystem, from manufacturing processes to packaging and distribution.
Okay, so we've talked about awesome new phones, foldable devices, they're like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, and the exciting push for sustainable tech. But with all this talk about the future of mobile, what does this mean for the average person? That's a great question. I think the biggest takeaway from MWC 2025 is that technology is becoming increasingly personalized and intuitive. AI is a key player in this, making our devices smarter and more responsive to our needs.
So it's not just about flashy features. It's about making tech work better for us in our everyday lives. That's what I like to hear.
Exactly. And as these technologies continue to develop, we can expect even more seamless integration and truly personalized experiences.
It's like our devices are becoming extensions of ourselves, which honestly is kind of a mind-blowing concept when you really think about it.
In a way, they are. They're learning our habits, anticipating our needs, and helping us navigate an increasingly digital world more efficiently.
All right, before we get too deep into existential questions about humans and their devices, let's circle back to MWC. What were some other highlights that stood out to you?
Aside from the headline grabbing foldable devices and AI advancements, there were fascinating developments in areas like 5G connectivity and extended reality, or XR for short.
XR, that's like virtual reality and augmented reality combined, right? So we're talking about a truly immersive experience.
Precisely. We saw some impressive demos of XR applications for gaming, education, and even healthcare. Imagine attending a virtual concert from the comfort of your couch or learning about human anatomy through interactive 3D models.
Wow. Okay, that's seriously impressive.
Yeah.
XR sounds like it has the potential to revolutionize how we learn, work, and play.
It definitely has immense potential, and with advancements in 5G connectivity, we're finally starting to see the infrastructure needed to support these high-bandwidth immersive experiences.
This is getting me so excited about the future. But let's be real, not all of this cutting-edge tech is going to be available tomorrow. What can we realistically expect to hit the market in the near future?
That's a question many people are asking. I think we can expect to see AI-powered features becoming even more commonplace in our everyday devices.
Like better cameras, smarter assistants, and maybe even some early versions of that essential space organization system from nothing.
Exactly. And as 5G networks continue to roll out, we'll start to see more applications that take advantage of the increased speed and bandwidth. Think things like cloud gaming, remote surgery, and even self-driving cars.
Whoa, self-driving cars, now you're talking. It's pretty amazing to think about how far technology has come and how quickly it continues to evolve.
It certainly is an exciting time to be following the tech industry. And as these innovations continue to evolve, it's important to stay informed and engaged in the conversations that are shaping the future of technology.
Well said. So what's the one thing you think our listeners should take away from this deep dive into the world of mobile tech?
I think the most important takeaway is that technology is becoming increasingly integrated into our lives. It's no longer just about the devices we use, but about how those devices connect us, empower us, and ultimately shape our experiences.
It's like technology is becoming a part of who we are.
In many ways, it already is. And as these advancements continue to unfold, it's up to us to shape the future of technology in a way that benefits humanity as a whole.
Yeah, it really makes you think, doesn't it? That the relationship between humans and technology is constantly evolving. And it's fascinating to see how these innovations are shaping our world.
Yeah, it's a dynamic relationship for sure. And as we move forward, it's crucial to consider both the possibilities and the potential challenges that come with these advancements.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We need to be mindful of the impact technology has on our lives and ensure that we're using it in a way that benefits everyone.
Couldn't agree more. It's about finding that balance between innovation and responsibility.
Well said. All right, tech fans, that wraps up our deep dive into the world of MWC 2025. We've explored everything from see-through phones and AI-powered cameras to foldable devices and sustainable tech. It's been an incredible journey.
It really highlights how quickly the mobile landscape is evolving and gives us a glimpse of what we might expect in the not-too-distant future.
We hope you enjoyed this bite-sized tour of all the cool new tech and that it sparked your curiosity about what's coming next. Because let's be honest, the future of mobile is looking pretty amazing.
There's certainly a lot to be excited about. From the way we communicate and work to how we play and experience the world around us, technology is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Thanks for tuning in to Byte-Sized Tech. If you enjoyed the episode, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fun tech discussions.